Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I cannot hear my voice because I'm a bad voice because I'm creepy my voice because I'm something suffering cough and sneezing. So I take medicine so I'm not feeling well. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in TD Grand Swiss 2025. Today is round number 4, also known as Women's Swiss. So in this today's round number 4 and also have a between from this beautiful international master in Serbia is Theodora Inchap versus international master in China Guo Chi. So I thought Guo Waping or fake Alice Guo, so it means these are fake Filipinos and she is a Chinese spy, so it means surname last name is Guo. So it means the white was brilliant. So brilliant move or resigns the whites. So what do you think if you after of this one with number 54 here? So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed here of the standings after round number 4 in women's Swiss. So white plays Theodora is d4, knight f6 Kuo, c4, e6 is Indian defense, knight c3, bishop b4 is code a Nimso Indian defense or without kings by bishop by kings by check here. So it means without kings and also e6 and also castling by Guo. So it means it's called by normal lines here, Nimso Indian defense here. And also pawn a3 attacks the bishop, so it means these are the counters attacks the bishop, and decided this one is bishop takes capture knight check, pawn takes, so these are the weakening the pawn structure, so it means these are the ugliness pawn structure here. So I'm sorry I got my low voice because I'm creepy my voice because I'm suffering cough and asthma. So it means let's continue capture this one without weak the pawns and also c5 without counters attacks that sacrifice the pawns here and also bishop d3 and also knight c6 and also rook b1 and also b6 here without move side by light square bishop by bishop to b7 here and also pawn e4 without move side by next by push by e5 attacks the counters attacks the knights here from this one and also d6 without no more by this one by e5 here and also knight e2 without idea by preparing casting by Theodora here and also pawn e5 without counters attacks and Theodora pushes by d5 without threats the knights here and decided go by knight e7 without idea by here without symbolized by knight e7 here. Excuse me. So it means so it means h4 by Theodora. So h4 by Theodora and also knight h5. So these are a new move by old. So it means novelty, new move. So these are the old main lines here. So it means recording by h5 or knight to g6. So these are the old main lines. So new novelty, knight h5, new move by Guo. So it means without Guo and also knight backwards g1. So it means go back knight g1 or next by counters by moves by transferring by knight f3 here. And also knight f4 without threats the bishop. Without counters attacks the bishop here. So it means these are the counters attacks here. So I'm sorry, quick voice here. So it means knight f4 without threats the bishop and go back bishop f1. So it means without go backs here. So it means why don't we try by bishop backwards c2. So it means without decided this one bishop backwards c2. But it's okay to move backwards here from this one. So it means go back by bishop f1 by Theodora and also pawn f5 by Guo without counters attacks the pawns and sacrifice here from this one and also g3 good move by Theodora without attacks the knights here without counters attacks and also captured by brilliant. So it means it's not about brilliant but also bad move. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the one's computer accuracy decided go back knight to fg6. So realize here, so it means these are the advantage from these blocks here. So advantage from this one. So it means the back there, this one is captured by brilliant. It's not brilliant but bad move. So these are the question mark move. And also capture the knights. So it means one knight down by this one by Kuo. So it means one knight down by Kuo. Captured. And also good move h5 by Theodora. Without decided by pushes by these white pieces. And also queen e6 without threats the pawn. So these are the lowest evaluation bar. So these are the problems. So it means bad move by lowest evaluation bar. So the one's computer, the best move is push to e3. Decided this one by this strongest move by Kuo. So slightly advantage from these blocks here. Easy advantage here. Excuse me. So after this one is queen e6 here, and also knight h3 without attacks the pawns. So these are the related by according by targets the pawns. So these are the targets the pawns and bishop targets the pawns here. So it means these are the doubles here. And also push e3, what the strongest by success by Kuo Chi without attacks the pawns. And decided this one by Theodora is bishop d3 and also knight f5. So it means another bad move by Kuo. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to f5 without counters the bishop to bishop. If you captured by bishop takes captured here, and also rook takes captured. So etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. Slightly betters here. So back there, this one is knight f5 by Kuo, and also knight takes captured. So it means so the pawn, if you capture this one, or maybe without threats the queens without check. So these are the problems here. So these are troubles. And decided this one is knight h6 here, and also queen f3, and decided opening captured check. Without check here, without opening by queens and pawns here. So these are the queens and pawns. So without check and without queens without check. So these are the counters targets the without check here. And decided this one by king takes captured pawns, and also knight g4 check. So it means do not capture the queen takes knight. So these are the targets the bishop attacks. So do not capture the queen takes captured knight, because these are the knight check here. And decided by Theodora is king g3, and also knight e5 without threats the queens, without disturb by eliminates the queens and threats the bishop here. So it means these are the doubles the bishop and queens here. And also queen e4, and Kuo by moving by this one is bishop to f5 without threats the queen. So the first puzzle. So what do you think the successful by advantage brilliant perfect sacrifice by beautiful Theodora? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop takes captured sacrifice. What a successful, perfect, brilliant without beautiful Theodora. And decided by Guo, rook takes captured sacrifice the queen, so it means no more queens by Theodora. And decided bishop takes captured rook, so it means no more queens by these white pieces. And these are the three pieces the blacks here. So how many? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, five pieces the white pieces and 3 pieces the blacks. So it means these are the doubles, the both rooks and one queens. So queen and rooks and this one. So these are the 5 versus 3 from these pieces here. And also decided this one is h6 here, and also rook b2, and also queen to a4 without attacks the pawns. So these are the threats the pawns here, and also bishop e6 check, and also king h7, and also rook g4 bad move. So the best moves there, the one's computer, is bishop to f5 check. So check from this one. So these are the advantage here by whites here. So I'm sorry I prepay my voice is fresh airs. I have no voice. It means I just lowest the voice. I'm sorry I cannot hear my voice here. So back there, this one is rook g2. I mean rook g2 without question mark here. And also queen takes c4, captured. Wait, is that correct? Oh, these are the doubles. Queen takes captured. So without threats the pawns, or maybe without counters the check here. So counters the check or attacks the threats the check here. And also bishop d2 without develops the pawns here, and also rook f8. The idea by threats the rook without sacrifice knights. So these are the knights here from this one, and also rook hg1 battery, and also knight d3. So it means without threats the knight, so it means bad move by Guo. So the best moves there, this one is rook takes captured, sacrifice, boom. So sacrifice here, if you bishop takes, decided bishop takes captured. Simple as that. So these are the wins for whites here. So these are the doubles, the rooks, and queens only. So it means queens. So easy advantage here from these whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is knight d3 by Guo, and also knight takes, wrong move by Theodora. So the best moves there is ignorance, knight to g6. Without goods like here, without threats the rooks. So easy advantage here by whites here. So easy advantage here. So back there, this one is knight takes captured, and also Guo, queen takes captured check, and also king h2, and also excellent good move by Guo, king h8. So it means what a great move by Guo Qi, and also decided to move counters by excellent, and also bishop e1, and also rook f5 without counters attacks the threats the pawns or without check. So these are the counters threats here from this one, and also bishop takes captured rook. Without bishop takes captured rook, without threats the queens, or maybe without next by queens without attacks the bishop here. And decided this one is queen takes captured bishop. So it means, so 3 pieces here. So double rooks and bishop by Theodora, and 1 queen only by Guo. So 1 queen here. So it means, so 3 versus 1. Let's continue. Queen takes captured bishop, and also rook g4, and decided queen takes captured check, and also king g3, queen takes captured check. So it means queen takes captured check, and also pawn c4. So it means without pawn c4, without attacks the pawns, without threats the queens. So these are the threats. And decided queen d3 check. Without check, without counters attacks the targets the check or traps the pawns here. These are the traps the pawns. And also king f2, queen c2 check, and also king e3, pawn g5, and also rook 1 g3, bad move by Theodora. So the best moves there, this one is rook f1. So rook f1 here. So these are the slightly advantage here by whites here. So slightly advantage here. So after this one, rook 1 g3 without battery, and also excellent good move by Guo is pawn b5 sacrifice, and also captured another bad move by Theodora. So the best moves there, this one is rook to g2, threatening the queens. So threats the queens here, so these are the slightly advantage by whites here. So after this one is capture the pawn sacrifice, and also d5 without next targets by without d4, without counters attacks that check. So these are the counters attacks, the kings here, so it means without kings. And also bishop d2, and also king g7, king e2, and also good move is pawn to d4, good move by Guo. And also rook g1 by Theodora, and also queen b2, threatening the pawns, and also rook c1, another third bad move by Theodora. So these are the many bad moves by Stockfish by computer. So the ones computer, the best occurrence is moving by a4. So these are the advantage from this one. Slightly advantage here. I'm sorry I got suffering cough because I cannot hear my voice because I'm lower the voice because I'm creepy my voice here. So back there, this one is rook c1 with a threatening the pawns, or maybe here by queens threats the pawns here. So threatening the pawns, and also decided queen takes captured pawns without defense that develops the pawns here, and also king f2, and also king g6, and also rook e4, and also queen d3 without threats the rooks. So threat the rooks and threats the pawns here with both pawns and rooks here, and also rook e2. So for example, if you rook takes captured pawns, free pawns, how do you think? So it means do not capture the rook takes captured pawns, and queen takes pawn. So threats the rooks. So no more the defense here. So it means do not capture the rook takes captured pawn. So it means these are the troubles. So decided this one by move by Theodora is rook e2 here without develops here, and also pawn c4, very strongest by Guo, and also bishop b4, and also queen f5 check, and also king g1, c3, without upcoming by promotes. So these are the promotes here, and also rook f2, rook f2. So rook f2 without attacks the eliminates the queens here, so eliminates, and also queen g4 check, and also rook g2, so rook g2, and also queen e4, and also rook cc2, so it means without defense, so it means bad move. So doesn't want out this computer engine here. So the best moves the one's computer is rook to gc2. So it means without battery. If you decided by queen g4 check, so queen g4 check, how do you think from this one? And go back rook to g2. So it means slightly advantage here. So it means after rook cc2, and the last move, the finishing move, pawn a5 sacrifice. So it means surrender or resigns the beautiful international master Theodora. So why she resigns? For example, if you bishop takes captured, only move by Theodora here, and also d3. So if you bishop takes captured pawns here, and also capture the rooks here. So he moved by bishop to d2 and also queen to d4 check. So if you move by king h1, so it means queen takes captured, bishop sacrifice. So rook takes captured queen and promotes by c1 queen check. So without check, so it means check. So check or drops the rooks. So it means catch the rook. So it means end of this battle. So it means so sacrifice the perfect sacrifice and resigns the whites. So I thought I know I know Theodora was winning from this shot from this round number 4. So the score by Theodora 85.5 and the score blocked by Guo Chi 90.1. So the winner from this one round number 4 International Master Guo Chi. So congratulations from this one. So I thought Alice Guo, also known as Guo Wapping. So I'm sorry I got creepy in my voice. Fresh air. I have no voice. I'm coughing. So I will next round number 5 by between from Grandmaster Mark. Say my name Mark. So Grandmaster Mark in France versus by Grandmaster Vincent Kamer in Germany. So it means Open Swiss by Grand PD Grand Swiss. So I hope on this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark17 aka IconMax17. Have a good day and keep safe, and don't forget to subscribe by YouTube accounts here. Have a good day and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Monday. Bye bye.